How to clone objects in Unreal Engine 5. We enter the edit and select the plugins and type the motions, and we select the motion design, and I enter the motion design node and select the cloner, and here I select the grid and drag to here and select cloners, and adjust this chair. I want push to the cloner, but it can just into here because I need to change to the mobile. Yeah, so I delete it, and now I enter the select mode. Here you can change the layout. You can select anyone you want it, and now I select the grid and change the XYZ value. Maybe drag it to here and change the value to 3, and you also can change their space. Yeah, and you can see here the rotations, and you can close it to default value. Yeah, and the next I will show you use the circles mode, circles layout, and you can change the radius. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.